Welcome to the Multifamily Investing Masterclass. I'm Donna and I'm thrilled to have you here. In this training, we're going to walk you through a proven system we use to find, acquire, and manage profitable multifamily real estate investments. The same framework we use to build our portfolio and help our investors create long-term tax advantaged wealth.
You're going to learn how we evaluate deals, how we raise capital responsibly, and how we structure partnerships, and how we protect investor returns even during uncertain markets.
So we've designed the masterclass to be simple, direct, and transparent. So whether you're getting started or you're already investing, you'll be able to follow our step-by-step process.
And if by the end of this training, you feel aligned with our approach and want to be part of our next investment opportunity, you'll have a chance to apply to join our exclusive multifamily investor list.
So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the strategies that help you build real passive income through multifamily real estate.
So let's get started.